my friends. I have been challenged by the fabulous Gina DeLuca to participate in the Do's and Don'ts challenge that is going around on YouTube currently. So, Gina has given me a list of 3 do's and don'ts for me to adhere to in creating this piece of fluid art. I, in turn, have given her a list of 3 do's and don'ts, and together we will coordinate the uploading of our videos. And I'll put a link to her video down below and above right here. I hope I could figure out how to do that. And I hope you will watch both and enjoy them. And then at the end of this video, I need to do part 2 of the challenge, which is challenge another YouTube artist by giving them a different set of rules. So that will be fun. Stay tuned to see who that's going to be. Now, Gina's list of do's and don'ts for me. Do use at least 1 metallic. So I actually have 2 here. I'm using Deco Art bright metallics in Garnet and Arteza Pearl Pink. And use my least favorite color, that would be pink. Now, it's a beautiful color. I'm not opposed to pink in art, but it's just personally my least favorite color. I don't wear it, I don't decorate in it, and it's just personal preference. And thirdly, I am to use some tool to alter the pour either before or after tilting. And I decided, I was thinking about using the beads, but I thought maybe I would use this comb. I may have more control. It will almost be like using a paintbrush. So that's what I'm going to do. Now the don'ts include, or are, don't use silicone. Check. Don't use more than 3 or 4 colors. I have 3. I'm good. And don't use white. Check. Okay. So my idea is to do a ring pour, and then I will alter it with the comb. So here we go. I have quite mixed some extra black. I might do some negative space. We'll see. I do like the way black and pink look together. I'm using my Polycrylic mix, and I will put the recipe for that down below. I like it for ring pours because it keeps the rings nice and crisp and the colors delineated. There's the consistency. It's a little on the thick side. Oops, I meant to go back to the black instead of putting the red next to the pink, but that's okay. Okay. It's looking rather dark in the cup, so I better get a little heavier with the pink, perhaps. Lightest value. Let's see. I have a decent amount of black left. Okay. Let's see what I can get with this, and if I need to, I can do some negative space with any one of these colors or any combination of them. Okay, here we go. I bought these paper cups so I could squeeze it together and make a little bit of a spout. And I feel a little better about using paper than plastic. Okay. Wow, that pink, I kind of lost in there. It's pretty right in there. So perhaps I will add some pink over here for negative space. Pink. And what over here? I think maybe black. I love the drama of black negative space. Okay. Mess. And I have a little, I have more of that garnet color, but I think I'll stop with this. Now I have the choice of altering it now or after I tilt, and I think I'll wait till afterwards. It would look great right now, but then when you tilt it, it's going to get all distorted. So I think I will enjoy the effect better if I wait. So, okay, here we go. I got some cell action with the metallics. I tend to cell up even without silicone. Oops, I don't like getting a square, and that often seems to happen. So I have to reshape this corner over here. I don't want to lose it. I do want to keep the black. Now, as I'm looking at it, I'm looking elsewhere, and I'm not always liking what I'm seeing, so I may be stuck with a kind of a square shape up there. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, that's square again. Well, I guess I could do some combing up there to change that. All right, well, that's quite dramatic at this point. what to do. Let's see, I'm not crazy about the very center there. So I think I'll run my comb through there. I'd like to pick up some of this light pink though, because it's quite dark. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to try to incorporate this pink in here. Here we go. I've never used this before, so wish me luck. Well, that's nice. It's very pretty up close. Oh, I have a square over here too. I've got to get rid of that, so let's comb it. I'll try to kind of mimic that shape there, I think. That's better. I don't want to comb the whole thing because I have some nice other things going on. Turn this around a bit. Usually, I would be bothered by this really light area as opposed to all that dark, but somehow I think it works. Where else do I want to do this? Maybe I won't do any more, but you know what I might do is add some ribbons with the lighter pink just to brighten up some of these other areas. I have a little paint left in my original cup. I'm going to pour the pink in there, what I have left. And now, let me run some ribbons. Where is the question? I want to disguise this square corner, so I'm going to run some here. Okay. I like that. It kind of mimics the shape over here. That's good. Now, this is kind of blah in here. I think I'll just run some along there. Whoa, where'd my pink go? Wow. That's disappointing. Try scraping a little more out of there. I just want maybe one more line and then I'll be done. If I can get pink, I hope. Here I am begging for pink. Or I think I need to run 2 more lines. I like things in 3s. Well, the pink is very subtle. One more line down here since It won't be quite as light as the other two, and that'll be good. Okay. Maybe I should put some in this area. Oh yeah, that's good. That's not good. That was not good. Oh well. Okay. There we go. I rather like it. I rather like it. Now with my polycrylic mix, I've pointed out many times, it's the best mix for me with the ring and ribbon technique, because these lines will hold. They will hold their shape and look just like that as it dries. Well, I think it's pretty fun. Let me bring it in for a closer look. There's a little bit of the comb effect in that corner. In the center there, and the lines I'm so fond of doing. And the cell effect, that's due to the metallics and the Floetrol in the mix. Lines, more lines. And right here is a very nice comb effect. Right in there, that's probably the best part. Okay, well, I'm pretty pleased with that. So, Gina, I hope I succeeded in the challenge, passed the test. I look forward to seeing what you do. And now for me to announce who I have chosen to take up the baton, that would be Tara from Pieces of Tara Artistry. She's agreed to participate in the challenge, and I'm going to be getting my list of do's and don'ts to her, and then she'll send that back to me, and then we'll do two videos, and then I'll be done with the challenge and she will carry it on. So thanks for joining me, folks. This was fun, and I hope you will enjoy all the videos associated with this challenge, and I'll see you next time.